If you do take a look at this channel guys called the Daily Fact What, you will find out that this channel actually goes on to creating a lot of short videos right now. And you can see right that most of these short videos are actually getting lots and lots of views. And the videos are actually quite simple and basic, just telling you about deep like facts. And if you actually go on to looking further, you can see that the videos are quite numerous right now. And basically guys, I will show you in this video how you could go on to creating similar kinds of videos right now, because I can actually show you how to create up to 300 kinds of this particular video in just 30 minutes of work right here on this platform, just by utilizing two AI tools, which are ChatGPT right now and this platform right here called canva.com. So if you do stick until the end of this video, you can learn this and utilize that to make a lot of money online using YouTube right here. And if you're new to my channel guys, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and other ways you could use to make money online. If you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that can help you out right now. Also guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release videos that could help boost your income online. And with that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. So guys, to go on to creating similar kinds of videos or YouTube shorts such as this right now, we'll first of all want to head on to utilizing this AI tool called ChatGPT. So we're gonna just simply ask ChatGPT some series of questions, and ChatGPT is actually going to come up with a cool prompt. We can actually, or a cool script for our video we can go on to utilizing right now. So right now I can just simply ask ChatGPT something like this, which says I would like to have quote mentioned to be about girls, or I will ask ChatGPT to generate a quote right now about a girl or a boy. For example, the first part, when a boy truly loves a girl, and second part, ChatGPT should fill out that part right now. So right now guys, once I actually do click on enter right here, I've actually sent ChatGPT the prompt, and you can see ChatGPT actually came up with some cool stuff right here, which says when a boy truly loves a girl, he sees galaxies in her laughters and constellations in her dreams. The second part right here says he learns that her squeak and notes and composes the beautiful melody, and so on and so forth. So ChatGPT is actually doing a good job right here, and this is actually quite similar to the facts which this particular platform goes on to posting. So right here we're just going to give ChatGPT another cool prompt. You can ask ChatGPT if you can write more, up to 10 right now, and you can just simply click on enter. ChatGPT is actually going to do that for you right here. As you can see, ChatGPT is actually going to be giving you in that particular format right now. See, this is how cool it actually looks like. You could also go into asking ChatGPT that you want the quote to be in maybe this format right now. So I asked ChatGPT if the quotes can actually be in this format, and I provided the quote right here, the format, and ChatGPT is actually doing the work right here. You can see how cool this actually is. So when ChatGPT is actually done writing this, all I need to do right now is to actually ask ChatGPT to categorize that in an Excel format, and ChatGPT is actually going to do that right here. You can see ChatGPT says feel free to let me know if you like more or if you just have specific themes in mind. Now I'm just going to ask ChatGPT if the themes could be something like girls facts, boys facts, or friend facts. And right here ChatGPT is actually going to go on to giving me some cool and amazing reply. You could see some theme for girls facts right now. You can see some other ones for boys facts, and you will also see for friend facts right now. So right now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to categorize that. So guys, you can see the prompt I'm using right now. I'm asking ChatGPT to categorize this. If you want to just simply get this exact same prompt, pause the video and utilize that right now. And once I click on enter right here, ChatGPT is actually going to categorize that in Excel format right now. As you can see how cool this is actually going to be looking like right here. So this is amazing right now. All you need to do right now is to actually go on to using ChatGPT to write up to 300 cool facts right now on any theme of your choice. Maybe you can actually go on to using multiple themes, because ChatGPT might not actually be able to give you that 300 themes at once or 300 script at once. You want to just simply break that down into smaller bits, and ChatGPT is actually going to come up with some cool themes right here. All you need to do right now is to actually leave this page open. We're going to head onto this platform called Canva right now. If you head onto Canva right now, you want to just simply go onto this section which says video. If you click on that, select the mobile video and you'll be brought to this page right here. So right now guys, what I'm going to do is to come onto the design section, and you want to just simply go into setting for styles right now, or templates. You can just simply go into utilizing. You want to just simply search for a blank template that you can just simply utilize right now. Maybe I could just simply go into utilizing this one right here. If I just select this, that has actually been added to that particular section. What I'm going to do next guys is to come onto this text section right now. I'm just going to add in a header text right here, and for that guys, I'm just going to drag that to the top section right now. So if I do that right here, I'm just also going to add in one more text to the center right now. If I drag that to the center page or the center section of this particular page right now, you can see how it looks. Then you want to add in one to be taken down to the bottom section right now. I'm going to show you what we're going to use each one for right there. So the first thing which you want to do right now is to actually go back to ChatGPT for this section that actually says boy fact or girls fact. Copy that right now, head back to that particular video right here, and you want to just simply go on to pasting that right now in that section. For the section right here that actually says the first part right now, you want to copy that right here, and if you copy that, come onto this section and go on to pasting that right now in this section. So once that has been pasted, you can actually drag this to the center, and this right here which says this bottom section, you want to just simply put in the channel name right now. So if I do put in something like this, as you can see right now, that has actually been added, which is my channel name. Next guys, you may want to just simply add in an effect right here for this particular stuff to actually make it add a background right now. You could add a very cool background. You could go on to changing the background color. Maybe you could select black right now, or you could actually go on to doing something quite cool right now, or any other color of your choice. There are lots of numerous colors you can actually go on to utilizing right there. So make sure you just select a color right now that is suitable for you. Once you've done that right now guys, you can actually head back to this section, and while back in this section guys, you can see how cool it actually looks. Maybe you want to just simply come right here and duplicate this particular scene. If you duplicate that, bring that to the bottom section right now. Maybe I'm just going to go on to reducing the font size. If I reduce the font size to, let me say 75 right now, I'm going to delete this first and actually duplicate this right here. So once I duplicate this right now and bring this down to this section, you want to go back to ChatGPT right now and copy this other section right here, which is the second part right here. If you do copy this right here, you're going to head back to that particular section, paste that in this section right now, and once that has actually been pasted, as you can see right now, this has actually been pasted. You can then bring this to the center also right now. So basically what this does right here is that you want to just simply go on to maybe setting the duration of how this write-up will actually be seen. You can right click on this right here, and you want to go on to clicking on show timing. You want to make sure you do put in the first section right here to last for about, let me say 7 seconds right now. If I do put this for 7 seconds, for the second aspect of this right now, I want this to last for about 3-4 seconds, because that will actually be too short for them to actually read this through this entire stuff. So you want to put in something like 2 seconds right here. So if I actually right click on this, I'm going to clicking on show timing right now. For this right now, I'm just going to come on to bringing this right here to this section right now. Maybe from that 7 seconds, you want to put in a 1 minute pause. Then you're gonna just simply leave this for 2 seconds right now. So why I'm leaving this for 2 seconds, because it's too short for them to read through that, and if they're actually reading through that, they actually need to go on to watching the video again, and that actually helps your video right now in getting maybe some kinds of views right now, and you get to make some money right there. So take a look at how the video is actually going to look like right here. This is how the video looks like right now. It says girl fact. And once this is done, a second later, this other part goes on to showing. So you can actually then go on to putting this at the center also, for this to actually come on the same spot. So once this has actually been done right here, your video is actually set. So you can actually use this strategy right now to go on to mass producing some videos right now, or some videos which you can utilize. And what you want to do right now is to just simply separate this first. You want to head on to this section which says app, and you want to just simply come right here and search for bulk. And if you just search for bulk right now, you'll be able to see this option which says bulk create. You want to click on this right now. Once that has been selected, select the enter data manually, and right now you want to just simply go on to copying this exact same table from ChatGPT. So I'm just going to copy the table right now, and if I do copy this right here, I'm just going to copy this, head back to that particular page on Canva, and what you want to do right now is to actually paste that in from this particular section right now. So once you paste that in right here, you can see everything has actually been added. You then want to just simply go down to the bottom, click on done right now. So if I do click on done, that has actually been inserted right now. So for this section that actually says girls fact, you want to just highlight that right now. All right, click on that, select connect data, and you want to select the team section. So when that has been selected, you can see that this indicates that has been selected. For the second section right here, right click on that, select connect data, and connect that to the first part right now. While for the second section, you want to connect that to the second part, and once that has been done right here, and you do click on continue right now, guys, maybe I'm just going to go on to inserting this section to actually be centralized right now at the middle of this particular stuff. And you want to do the same thing for the second part right now, centralize that at the middle right now, and once you're done, click on continue right now, and just simply click on create 9 designs. If you do that right here, all designs will actually be created on this platform in a matter of some seconds right now, or less than a minute. So you can see right here that a lot of videos has actually been created right now. You'll just need to go on to playing the video right there, and you'll be able to see how the video actually looks like. So take a look at this one right here. This is actually the first video right here. You can see how it's actually going to go on to looking like right now. The first one is actually over. This is the second one right here, and you can actually do see how cool it looks like right now. The second is actually over right now. So all you need to do right now is to just simply go onto each video. Maybe you want to just simply go on to changing the background to the video right now. You want to just simply head on to designs and go on to selecting some cool designs right now via this particular section. So there are a lot of cool designs you could utilize. Maybe this is actually another design right now. You can see that has actually been added. You could just need to go on to reducing the time frame of that particular scene right now and editing that. So you just could actually edit as many videos as you can right now. So I'm just doing this for 9 videos. You can do this for as many videos as you can and go on to creating short videos, which you can then just simply download right now. As you can see, these are actually different pages. You can download them separately and go on to uploading them on your channel right now, just like how this particular channel actually does. This is how cool right here this actually is. So why not just simply grab hold of this strategy and utilize that to make money online right now, as you can use that strategy to create about 100 or 300 YouTube shorts right now in just less than 30 minutes. So utilize this strategy, make a lot of videos, upload that on your YouTube channel, and make some cool cash online from YouTube short revenue. If the video added some value, why not just simply smash the like button to the video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.